this is Akshaj tips, and Apple just released their new iPhone. So the first thing that you guys should know about the iPhone 11 is that it is the successor of the iPhone 10 now. The price of the new iPhone 11 begins at $699 and in India the price is 70,000 rupees. The iPhone 11 also comes with 6 color variants. I think they are purple, white, red, black, green, yellow. The display is 6.1 inch liquid retina display and it has an aluminum and glass design. However, glass is glass, right? It could break. So make sure new iPhone 11 users to put a case on your smartphone. From the front, the new iPhone 11 looks exactly the same, no change. But in the back side, you can see some changes. One thing that you guys will notice is that the cameras are in a glass which has the shape of a square and Apple says it is cut out of one single glass. I don't know why Apple placed a glass on the camera and it made the iPhone 11 look a little bit weird. Now let's talk about the main thing that an iPhone is known for, the camera. The new iPhone 11 comes with a dual camera. One is the 12 megapixel wide angle camera and the other is the exact 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. The new camera interface allows you to see the ultra wide angle shot outside the frame at the same time when you're shooting. Apple calls their HDR feature as the next gen smart HDR, which uses multi-scale tone mapping after capturing a photo and highlights different parts differently. Apple also introduced a new portrait lighting effect called high key mono, but no one appreciated it in the event.
Alright.
Notice that? Talking about the night mode, unlike the night mode in the previous models of the iPhone, the night mode in the iPhone 11 turns on automatically when the surrounding gets dark enough. Here is the image captured on iPhone 11 with night mode off and on. You can shoot videos up to 4K 60 frames per second in the new iPhone 11 and Apple also added a new feature called Quick Take. So here is how it works. If you want to take a short video while capturing a photo, you have to just tap and hold the shutter button. Using front camera, you can shoot up to 4K 30 frames per second and one of the main features that Apple had added to the front camera is the slow motion selfies, aka slowies. There were some rumors that iPhones will be using Intel chips, but that's false. Apple is using A13 Bionic chip in the iPhone 11. And Apple is saying it will be faster than the A12 Bionic chip and the Snapdragon 855. That's a little hard to believe. There is also a slight change in the battery life. So compared to the iPhone 10, the new iPhone 11 will last an hour long. So coming to my final thoughts, it's a bit hard for me to believe that Apple just dropped the price of the new iPhone 11 where they usually keep on increasing the price. For just $699, you get an extraordinary camera quality, greater battery life than the $749 iPhone 10 and a greater performance than the $1,000 iPhone 10. It's mind blowing. So if you want the best iPhone which gives you value for money, just don't think about anything, go and buy the iPhone 11. Hope you guys like this video. If you just click the like button and if you guys didn't subscribe to my channel, click the subscribe button. And finally, this is Akshaj Tips signing off.